Here we have the Audi Q3 2-litre TDI S line quattro. It's a 6-speed manual, 2013 on 62 registration, covering 115,400 miles. It's got a full and up-to-date service history, with the last service being carried out recently, but we supplied with a fresh service and a fresh 12-month MOT. Comprehensive 6 months warranty supplied with the vehicle as well. It's in respectable condition for the age and mileage. It's got a number of factory options on the vehicle. It's got adaptive headlights. You can see it's got the LED day running lights, front fog lights, front and rear parking sensors, xenon headlights, alloy wheels in very good condition. Bodywork is clean and tidy. It's got the privacy glass, Audi Drive Select, auto dimming rear view mirror, BOSE sound system, fine nappa leather sport seats, gear knob in aluminium. Got the LED rear tail lights, LED interior light package, as well as the LED exterior light package. Bluetooth telephone preparation, SD card based satellite navigation, tyre pressure monitoring system, interior door cards, as you can see the LED lighting, the BOSE surround system. It's got the optional Audi protective rubber mats. Leather is in very good condition considering the age and mileage of the vehicle. It's been really well looked after and very well maintained. Seat backs are in good condition, no untoward markings. It's got a very good sized boot on these vehicles as well. It does have the parcel shelf present, the protective original Q3 rubber boot liner. You've got the full toolkit stowed away in here with a first aid kit as well. If we lift this up and go underneath, you can also got additional toolkit and a electronic pump and the BOSE amplifier. Then passenger driver side rear door card, all in lovely condition, no untoward markings, lovely brushed aluminium trim. Driver's side, heated mirrors, electric windows, S-line door sills, 4-way electric lumbar support, leg extensions on the seats, supplied with 2 keys. It's got automatic headlights, got a leather multifunction S-line steering wheel with the perforated leather on the sides, got the cruise control stalk there, dual climate control, air conditioning working very well in this vehicle. 6-speed manual, very economical these vehicles, electronic handbrake, LED lit cup holders, the additional storage in the center armrest, the leather armrest, tilt slide option, park distance control, turn the aircon down, Audi Drive Select, Bluetooth telephone connection, SD card based navigation, various media connections, Bluetooth, built-in hard drives to save music to the jukebox. You can also pop in an SD card and play your music through there. Glove box, you've got air-cooled glove box with the lock and wheel nut present. That warning there is just for the headlamp range control. It actually all works fine, but does throw up this message, although it's all working order, no issues whatsoever. So best to be transparent and make that clear. Auto lights, so if I go to the front of the vehicle, you can see all of the lights are working as they should. When you steer the wheel, the lights also follow in that direction. Now if you are interested in this vehicle, please do give us a call, 01865 95 669. We've acquired this vehicle in part exchange, so it is a part exchange vehicle to clear. However, it's got great provenance, 2 keys and a number of factory options, so it'd be a waste to send this vehicle off to auction. It deserves a good home. So please do give us a call, 01865 95 669. Kindly give us a follow on social media, search Oxford Prestige, and we look forward to taking your inquiries on this vehicle, booking you in for a test drive and a viewing. Thank you again for watching this video. We hope to see you soon.